Caregivers are individuals who are qualified to care for children, the elderly, and people with disabilities in their private homes without the need for any supervision. The first step to becoming a caregiver in Canada is finding an employer who's willing to provide you with a job offer. The second step is applying for your work permit. If you're interested in becoming a caregiver in Canada, or are already working as a caregiver in Canada, there's a number of changes that have recently been imposed by Citizenship and Immigration Canada as of November 30th, 2014. These changes include: if you have not worked in Canada under the Live-in Caregiver Program and your Labour Market Impact Assessment application was received after November 30th, 2014, you must apply for a regular work permit. If you have not worked in Canada under the Live-in Caregiver Program and your Labour Market Impact Assessment application was received on or before November 30th, 2014, you may still apply for a Live-in Caregiver Program work permit. If you are already in Canada working as a live-in caregiver and have a valid work permit and you wish to extend your stay or change jobs to work for another employer who's willing to offer you a position, you may apply for a Live-in Caregiver Program work permit. If you choose to live outside of your employer's home, you're considered no longer to be part of the Live-in Caregiver Program and you'll need to apply for a new regular work permit, and your current or future employer will need to apply for a new Labour Market Impact Assessment before you apply for the work permit. The work you do on a live-out basis may still count towards the work requirement in order to apply through either the Caring for Children or Caring for People with High Medical Needs pathway. To reiterate, if you're a caregiver who's working in Canada and interested in applying for permanent residence, you can do so under the two pathways, known as Caring for Children or Caring for Those with High Medical Needs. Depending on your work experience, language, and educational background, there's a number of different factors that you'll need to consider and several qualifications you'll need to meet. If you're interested in applying for permanent residence through these streams, contact us. We'd be happy to discuss your options and determine the best routes for success. We'll work with you to gather the necessary documents, draft the appropriate documentation, as well as compile an application with the highest chances for success. Acrowney & Associates is dedicated to our clients, and we look forward to assisting you achieve your immigration goals. Remember, with Acrowney & Associates, there's always a way.